Yes. So for today, our topic is angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, here we will discuss what angle sum property for a triangle is. We are doing our chapter, that is chapter 6, the triangle and its properties. Okay, so before starting our next exercise, that is exercise 6.3, you should know about the angle sum property. Okay, angle sum property means we have to add all these angle and we have to find it out what is the sum of these all angle is. Okay, so this you should know that the sum of the measures of all three angle of a triangle is 180. This is an important statement that you should know and you should learn. Okay, what you should learn, that the sum of measures of three angle of a triangle is 180. It means when we are adding three angles of a triangle, the result is 180. Okay. If this is the triangle ABC, agar ye triangle hai ABC, so in this triangle ABC, three angles are there. What are those three angles? Angle A, angle B, and angle C. Okay, so these three angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C. When we are adding these three angles, the sum is always 180. So if anyone will ask about from you that what is the angle sum property for a triangle, so it is that the sum of all three angle is 180. Okay, so with the help of this property and with the help of the properties we have discussed in the previous chapter, we will do our exercise, that is exercise 6.3. Okay, now see what are the questions in our exercise. See what is our first question. First question is, this diagram is given to you. You see the diagram stated here. This is the diagram given to you. And you have to find now the unknown value. आपको unknown values find out करनी है. So just see here. This is angle 50, angle 60, and this is the unknown value angle X. So what the property we can use here? By the angle sum property. Okay, we are having the angle sum property. What we know from the angle sum property? That when we are adding these three angles, the result is 180. Okay, so what we will do? We will add them. When we are adding 50 and 60, the result is 110. And for finding the value of X, what we will do? We will transpose 110. So when we are transposing it, the sign is negative. So when we are subtracting 110 from 180, the result is 70. So the value for this unknown angle, it is 70 degree. You can check it also. If you are adding 50, 70 and 60, if you are adding these three angles, the result is always 180. For a triangle, if you will add three angles of a triangle, the result is always 180. Same we will do in question number second. Here, this sign you know it very well. This sign is of 90 degree. If this box is given to in the one of the angle, then that angle is of 90 degree. Then how to find out this unknown value? How to find the value of X? Again, by the angle sum property, what we know? When we are adding these three angles, okay, when we are adding X to 90 to 30, what we are getting? 180 as our answer. Okay, why? Because it is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. So now see, 90 plus 30, we are having 120. Okay, what we are having? 120 we are having. It is equals to sign. Okay, then 120. What happens to 120? 120 will be change its position. We will subtract this 180 minus 120 and the result is 60 degree. Okay, so what is the unknown value here? Unknown value is 60 degree. Okay, so here the value of X, it is 60 degree. Similarly, we will do rest of our question. Just see third part of this question number 1. Here also you have to find out the unknown value. Okay, third part, it is same as first and second. It is again same as first part and second part. Again, we are having three angles. One is 30, 110, and the third one is unknown. Okay, we will add them. When we are adding them, the result is 180. And by subtracting the sum from 180, we are getting 40 as our answer. So the value of unknown angle, it is 40 degree. Now see, there is some change in question number 4. When you are seeing question number 4, there is some change there. Okay, now see what is the change. Here, two angles are unknown. Okay, in this part, two angles are unknown. Just see what are the two angles that are unknown. It is also x, and this x also you have to find it out. Okay, both x you have to find it out. So what we will do, whatever is the value of x is the value of both the angle, because both are same. So just see how we are writing it. How we are writing it? Sum of all these angles. Okay, when we add x, and 50 degree, the sum of all these three is 180. Okay, when we are adding angle x and angle x, the result is 2x. When we are adding x to x, the result is 2x. Okay, now we will subtract 50 from 180. This 50 will change its position. It will we will subtract it from 180, and our result is the value of 2x is, it is 130 degree. Value of 2x is, it is 130 degree. Okay, now if 2x is 130 degree, what will be the value of x? It is 130 upon 2. This 2 will be substitute. It will change its position from multiplication. It will go to the division. So the value of x is 65 degree. Okay. Here by calculation, you can find it out the value of x, that is 65 degree. Okay, when you divide 130 by 2. Now see fifth part. Fifth part of our question. Have a look. What is the fifth part? Okay, just see these two are the fifth and sixth part. Now again in fifth part, just see as the diagram. As per the diagram, when you are seeing the diagram, three angles are there, and all these three angles, they are equal. Okay, so when we are adding these three angles, the result is 180. When we are adding these three, the result is 180. Now, when you are adding x, then x, then x, it means it is 3x. When you are adding all these three, it means it is 3x. Okay, now what is the meaning of this 3x? Means 3 is in multiplication with x. So when you have to find out the value of x, what you need to do? This 3, it will goes in the division. Okay, you need to divide 180 by 3, and the result is 60 degree. What is the result? The result is 60 degree. Same, the sixth part. See what is the sixth part? In this sixth part, two unknown angles are there. Okay, what are these two unknown angles? 2x and x. And third one is, just see the diagram carefully. This is a right angle triangle. So third angle, it is automatically 90 degree. So just see the statement. What the statement we are written there? Sum of all these three is 180. Okay, when you are adding x, when you are adding with 2x and 90, the sum is 180. X and 2x, the result is 3x. And 90, it will change its position, and it will goes in the subtraction. Okay, we will subtract 90 from 180. Okay, so what we are getting? We are getting 3x is 90 degree. What is the value of 3x? 3x is 90 degree. Okay, so how can we find out the value of x? 90 will be as it is. 3 will change its position, and it will go in the division. मल्टीप्लीकेशन किस में चेंज हो जाता है? डिवीजन में चेंज हो जाता है. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू डिवाइड this 90 by 3, the result is 30 degree. What is the result? The result is 30 degree. Okay, so like this, using the angle sum property, you have to solve your question. Okay, this is the first part of your exercise, that is exercise 6.3.